Hi everyone, I'm Svea from Radar. Welcome back to our ASO tips. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to generate keyword ideas. If you haven't watched the last video about which keywords you should remove, go ahead and watch that first. But let's dive into it. So how do I get new keyword ideas? Today we will share 3 ways of how you can get new keyword ideas. One way is to use the auto-suggest. So what you do is you type in any relevant keyword to your app. So for us, the keyword floppy is already pre-filled. We already got suggestions, since floppy is our brand name. If I look through the suggestions, I just add any suggestion that seems relevant. At this point, it's really important to have a long list of keywords. We're filtering them out later. So if I now look at floppy dunk, seems interesting, floppy golf, I just add any keyword or combination that seems relevant. That's one way. Another way is to look at my current keyword rankings, because it might be that I'm ranking on keywords that I don't have in my metadata yet. But if I add them, I might improve my rank. So if I go through this list, I first filter the unpopular keywords because I don't want to be ranking on them. And I go through this list. I see, oh, here, I know that I don't have the keyword MLG in my metadata, but I'm ranking quite well on it. It has a good popularity, so this is a keyword I also want to add to my list of keyword ideas. And I just scroll through this whole list of keywords, add whatever combination seems interesting, seems relevant, and add that to my list. The last way that we're going to share with you is to look at your competitors, because it might be that they're using keywords that we don't know of. Again, we're first hiding the unpopular keywords, then we're scrolling through the list and check if there's anything relevant. Tiny tap seems interesting. So you just go through that list and add whatever keyword you think seems interesting, seems relevant for your app. Alright, so these are just 3 of many ways of how you can get keyword ideas. In the next video, we're going to show you how you eventually filter your list so that you will end up with a list of relevant keywords that you want to add to your metadata.